Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Jackson Rosinski. With rain continuing to pour in over the region, there are several road closures and incidents to keep an eye out for. 13 News reporter Delaney Wells spoke with the Ohio Department of Transportation and shares how you can prep for the incoming weather.
Snow has moved out of the region and made room for rain to come in, and several communities and roads throughout the tri-state area are prone to flooding, and the Ohio Department of Transportation is urging drivers to take it slow and avoid certain areas for the next week.
It's just a good reminder for people to make sure that you are obeying those signs that tell you of high water and the roads are closed. Because obviously we don't want these inconveniences to turn into a tragedy.
He says there are resources to turn to when the weather impacts traveling.
But what we want people to do is, again, plan ahead by using WOWK, that's OHGO.com. That will show you where the road closures and restrictions are on the state and U.S. routes and interstates across the state of Ohio.
Several closures happened across Vinton, Jackson, Gallia, and Meigs counties. And Bruning says crews are making sure the roads are clear before opening them and asking travelers to have patience during the storm.
We're not going to open anything until it's safe to do so. Any roadway that's closed due to flooding, we're going to make sure we inspect that roadway. I know crews have been out earlier today.
The weather has been intense since the start of the year, and Bruning says crews have had to adjust to ensure the roads are safe and nothing turns into a tragedy.
We've gone from plowing snow to plowing mud in just a couple of days here in the state of Ohio. And so that's what our crews are up against right now. So a lot of these cases in southeast Ohio, we're deploying snow plows to push mud and debris off of roadways from flooding that has occurred.
Bruning encourages travelers to rely on ODOT systems and take alternate routes. In Meigs County, Delaney Wells, 13 News.